Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a 10-year update on what was once a young patient who got 2,500 grafts of fine Asian hair with a significant color contrast. And so he came in with his grandfather looking like this 10 years ago. And we did 2,500 grafts, and he moved various places, and now I think he lives on the West Coast, and he was in the area and popped in for a quick picture. And it's been 10 years, and this looks fantastic. It looks unremarkable to me.
It looks really good.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't even recognize the kid when he walked in. Of course, it's been 10 years since I've
I know, you kept on calling kid.
Yeah.
And it's like, you look at him, it's like...
Now he's 39. You know, we did
Yeah.
when he was 24, and now he's 39. And that is a great, unremarkable hairline for a 39-year-old fellow. So, you know, when you're a younger patient, we'd like you to bring a relative so that you don't get talked into something that you're not ready for, and so that you understand the whole process, and somebody will help you clean it, and that you just, I mean, you can talk people into anything so that you have another voice of reason that's, you know, trying to make you think this through. Because once you start down this hair transplant road, you can't get off of it. You need to make sure you plan for the future, get a hairline that'll look okay when you're 39 or 58, and save hair for the back in case you need it. Anything?
Yeah.
If we can help you, give us a call.